We Crack You provide free mock test for SSC CPO exam. For that, you only need to Google search Crack You SSC CPO free mock test. Click on the first link and start the mock. After completing the mock, you get the complete detailed analysis with the solution and percentile for the mock. Hi friends, welcome to our channel Crack You RRB SSC Banking Exam. In today's video, we are going to discuss important questions of SSC CPO. To get this important update, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the daily updates. So, today's first question is, which instrument is used to measure heartbeat? Okay, we all have seen this and it's very quite common. The instrument that is used to measure heartbeat is stethoscope. Now, thermometer is used to measure temperature. Lactometer, we all know milk contains lactose. So, lactometer is used to measure the amount of water in the milk. Not milk, but the amount of water in the milk. Manometer is used to measure our high blood pressure. Next question. Which of the following is a non-communicable disease? We all can see the option and we know it's obesity. You can't get fat by staying with someone who is fat. Yeah, if you eat with that person, you will obviously get, but depends on your metabolism. So, option A is the correct answer. Whereas, Ebola is spread by Ebola virus and it's a communicable disease. Rabies spread by rabies virus by biting of an infected animal or through saliva. And flu, the common cold or flu is infected from rhinovirus and it's very common. So, let's go to the next question. What is the chromosome number in a human ovum? All the human cells has 23 pairs of chromosome, that is total 46 chromosome, except ovum in humans and sperm in men. They have 23 chromosomes but not 23 pair, only 23 chromosome, as rest of the cell are divided by mitotic division, whereas these cells are divided by meiotic division. What happens in mitotic division? The chromosome is not divided, whereas in meiotic division the chromosome are divided into two parts, as when the ovum and sperm meets while fertilization, the total number is again 246. The number of chromosomes in these are 23. Next question. Broadly, what are the blood corpuscles that help to build up resistance against disease? We know the resistance is built by white blood cells, and even white blood cells is called leukocytes. So, the answer is leukocytes, but you may have confusion with the option lymphocyte, as lymphocyte is a part of white blood cells, that is leukocyte, and it is divided into B cells and T cells, that is B lymphocyte and T lymphocyte, which mainly increases our immune system. But the question says broadly what are the blood corpuscles. So, here the answer is leukocyte but not lymphocyte. Whereas, if you don't have leukocyte in the option, or the option is asking, or the question is asking specifically, then the answer is lymphocyte. But for now, it's option C. Whereas, neutrophils and monocytes are type of leukocytes. So, next question. Which of the following vegetable oil does not contain fatty acid? We all want to get thin and we want a fat-free vegetable oil, obviously, but the vegetable oil that does not contain any essential fatty acid is sunflower oil. Sunflower oil is high in essential vitamin E and has no essential saturated fatty acid. Whereas, let me tell you something about fatty acid. Fatty acid are lymphatic carboxylic acid with varying hydrocarbon length at one end and a chain joined to terminal hydroxyl group, that is COOH. Here C is carbon, O is oxygen and H is hydrogen. But till then the answer to this question is sunflower oil. Next question. Tamiflu. What is Tamiflu? You can guess it is something related to maybe Tamil or a disease, as it's written flu and Tami. But it's absolutely wrong. It's not a type of influenza originating in Tamil Nadu. No. Rather, Tamiflu is a name of a medicine that is effective for influenza 1 and influenza B. whereas Tamiflu is a type of medicine that is effective for influenza A and influenza B. So the correct option is an effective medicine for bird flu. Now, the drug name of Tamiflu is oseltamivir and it is an antiviral medication used for the treatment and prevention of influenza A and B. Next question. In a human body, the basic building block are, okay, this is an easy one. The basic building block of human body is cell, whereas few additional info, the basic building block of kidney is nephrons and the basic building block of nerve is neurons. And for the entire body, the basic building block is cells, as lots of cells combine to form a tissue, lots of tissue combine to form a muscle and bone, and together it forms a body. So the basic building block is cell. Next question. The function of DNA in a body is, what is DNA? DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. It contains genetic instruction need for an organism to develop. We know it's heredity, it's genetic, we say it, transmitting from your parents to you and maybe your child. So the only work of DNA is in a cell is it stores long-term storage of information for transmission. So you can see the option A says to help in the synthesis of protein. No, RNA does this. To control the heredity, it doesn't control, it transmits the heredity from one generation to the other. To assist in the release of energy, no, ATP does this. So we don't have any of the option correct, so option D is correct, that is none of the above. Next question. A person in normal health requires per day, like what is the calorie a person with normal health required in one day? You can take as much as you want, but generally humans require 2000 calorie per day, whereas men require 25,000 calorie per day to be approximate, to give an approximate average. So the correct answer is option B. Next question. Poliomyelitis is caused by, what is poliomyelitis? It is the disease called polio caused by poliovirus. So obviously the answer is virus. Poliovirus only infects human. It lives in infected person's throat or intestine and it is transmitted by fecal oral transmission. That is, if you come in contact with the fecal discharge of an infected person, like via water or adulterated food, then you may have polio. But the question asked what is it caused by? It is caused by poliovirus. So answer is option B. We Crack You provide free mock test for SSC CPO exam. For that, you only need to Google search Crack You SSC CPO free mock test. Click on the first link and start the mock. After completing the mock, you get the complete detailed analysis with the solution and percentile for the mock. Milk is a natural, milk is an emulsion. So the answer is milk is a natural emulsion. Milk has fat particles, globules dispersed in aqueous, that is watery environment. So it's an emulsion. Option B is the correct answer. Next question. The medicine AZT is, what is AZT? The drug name that the medicine AZT contains is zidovudin. Zidovudin is an antiretroviral medicine and AZT is azithromycin. So let's not go to the technical and directly let's say AZT is antiretroviral drug. So option A says the medicine is permanent cure of dengue fever. No, it's not. We know antiretroviral, AIDS is caused by a retrovirus. So we can say this medicine is a drug that fights AIDS. So the correct answer is option B. Next question. How many calories are there in 1 liter of water? It's a silly question, but still it's an important question. Okay, the number of calorie in 1 liter of water is none. Water has no calorie, but rather drinking water can burn your calorie. A very small amount, but yet that is, it can 1 liter of water can burn 50 calories. So you can prefer in diet, if you are losing weight. Next question. What level of noise is considered permissible in human habitat? So the answer to this question is up to 50 decibel. Rather, if you produce more noise, that is up to 70 decibel, your neighbors may complain. So the answer is up to 50 decibel. Let's move to the next question. The number is added here. Chalo, let me cut this. The question says the science of the study of soil is, like, what is the study of soil called? So the study of soil is called pedology. You can relate like ped as you work and logy is the study. So it's called pedology. In human body, quantity of water is about, the average quantity of water in average human being is 50 to 65%. So you can take to a higher range, that is 65%, whereas brain has 73 to 80% of water. So as I said earlier, drinking water is good. Here option C is the answer. Next question. If bilirubin is high in a human body, which organ is most affected? Bilirubin and biliverdin is directly linked to the liver, and if they increases, our liver gets affected the most. So the answer is option B, liver. And the increase in bilirubin causes yellow pigmentation of the body, and that we called it jaundice. But the answer here is option B. Next question. It says milk, cheese and egg are the source of. Milk and cheese are a milk product, and egg. Combining these three, what are the source of? They are the source of protein, we all know, and a bit of fats also. Cheese is fatty. Okay. Now according to option, it's asking us the vitamins, like they are source of which vitamin. So we know milk provides vitamin D and even vitamin A, and so does egg. So the answer here is option B, vitamin A and D. Next question. Find the most accurate description of Bt cotton. So now let me tell you, Bt stands for Bacillus thuringiensis. Bacillus thuringiensis is a bacteria, and Bt cotton is a crop designed to combat the protein from bollworm that invades the cotton plant and does not let it grow. So a genetically modified gene, via this, a genetically modified crop of cotton whose DNA has been altered by introducing an extra gene is added to the cotton plant so that it can fight the bollworm disease. So a answer here is option B. It says the genetically modified crop of cotton whose DNA has been altered by introducing an extra gene is called Bt cotton. Bt here means Bacillus thuringiensis, and Bacillus thuringiensis is the bacteria from which the gene is transferred. Next question. If saccharin, an artificial sweetener which is 70 times sweeter than sugar, is kept in open, which one of this insect will attract first? The insects given are ant, bees and houseflies. All the three insects given have powerful chemical signals. So this sweetener is only meant for human as it is an artificial sweetener, and this saccharin has very less calorie. So ant is not attracted by it, whereas even bee is not attracted as bee wants the nectar and the calorie. And remaining housefly, yeah, we know housefly sits in everything around and makes it dirty, but housefly too is not attracted by saccharin. So the answer here is option D, that is none of the above. Hope you liked it, and if you did, please like, share and comment below. We will be back with more important videos like this. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the daily updates. Thank you. We Crack You provide free mock test for SSC CPO exam. For that, you only need to Google search Crack You SSC CPO free mock test. Click on the first link and start the mock. After completing the mock, you get the complete detailed analysis with the solution and percentile for the mock.